Oi, oi, oi. So this is how we bust a nut. This is the last one I got. Oh, I hear my son coming. I got the other one off. This is the other one right here. Right there. Right there. Rick there. I'm recording, making a video of what it takes to get one of these nuts off. Just one. I feel like I'm rolling in a lead bullet. It's wanting to flip around on me because it's the last one and the bracket ain't being held on by nothing else. It's coming. Come on, get to the end and come easy now. Oh. I don't think there's no room in there for me to get an impact in there. Well, I could use a swivel. It's close. 4 of them. I remember this was like that on my 1-ton 86 Dodge, the old gray battleship, the move over battleship. But that one I had to use a 6-foot pipe, and they were on the nuts were on the bottom. No, they weren't, but there was more clearance. I had to go in between the frame. Man, those are buggers to get off too. But I had to use a 6-foot cheater bar on them, and all 230 pounds of me at the time. You want to feel how hot this is?
Sure.
Careful, don't burn yourself.
Ooh.
It gets hot from all the friction, and especially when you're going at it trying to get it done. So that's that. That's all she wrote.
There you go.
Now I got to take the leaf out,
Really
punch the bolts out in the ends, and then put the new one in.